Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this animated wavy ponytail in DTI. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get this wavy ponytail that's taking the runway by storm. So whether you're going for soft glam or full-on fairy vibes, this hair brings motion, drama, and instant slay. So if you want to know how I can create this one, let me show you the steps. So to create the hair, you need to only put on two hairstyles. The first one, you can put on this one in here and remove the bangs. You can choose the color that you prefer. In this case, I'm going to just use black. And then you can just click on the straight hair category and use this here, change the color and toggle it into more animated. And now you can just use the adjustment feature to make it look like a ponytail. So click on the hair and use the adjustment in here. Now you can just follow my adjustment. So for the positions, the X is 51, the Y 64, and the Z 75. And adjust the rotate for the X into 44. Last one, adjust the scale only to 30. And that's it. So now the hair will look like this. You can always add more if you want. You can add the bangs or anything that's needed. But this is how it will look like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.